Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a chocolate sponge cake at home without an oven on the gas stove with the ingredients that is easily available in your kitchen. And the best part is you need it in very small quantities as well. Okay, so firstly you have to put the one pan in the stove. This will be like your oven, okay? So you're going to use one pan as your oven. To regulate the temperature, you're going to put it onto the flame now, just to preheat it. Okay, this is because we assume that this is going to be your oven. Now let me show you the ingredients for the same. These are the dry ingredients that we're gonna use. I have mixed up 2 tablespoons. This is the spoon that we are using for measuring, because even if you don't have a measuring equipment, you can still easily do it at home. This is a spoon that I have used for the measurement. So I have put 6 spoons of maida, 2 spoons of cocoa powder, and also half a teaspoon of baking powder onto the same. All right, and this is our wet ingredients. This is 6 spoon of oil, and this is 6 spoon of milk as well. And we're gonna beat together 6 spoon of sugar. You can see this is not powdered, we don't need it to be powdered, and 2 eggs together as our first step. So we're gonna break the egg into the bowl and I'm gonna beat it up. Now you can see the consistency where we have reached after we finished with the beating of egg and sugar together. Now we're gonna add the 6 spoons of oil onto the same, and then again we are continuing the beating as well. We have finished the mixing of your wet ingredients. Now we're gonna add some of the dry ingredients to the mixture. Yeah, so I'm gonna add that 6 spoons of 6 spoons of maida, 2 spoons of cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon of the baking powder onto that. And then I'm gonna gently sieve it down so that it gets mixed well. I have added a punch of salt as well onto the same. Here we're going to add the dry mixtures onto the wet mixture. You have to sieve it and put it into the mixture. A teaspoon of vanilla essence, as you see here, and then you continue the cut fold as we were doing before. Yeah, finally the mixture looks like this, as you can see, without any lumps. Yeah, and then we're gonna pour it into a prepared saucepan which we use for cooking. The batter which we have prepared, now we have to do it like this to make sure that the air bubbles go and then it spreads evenly as well. All right, now we're going to transfer this to our preheated oven, which is our saucepan like you see here, and then I'm going to cover it with the lid as well. After I ensure that it's tightly covered, yeah, I just make the flame full for another 2-3 minutes. Then I'm going to reduce it and simmer it for another 10 minutes and the cake will be done. Here I have prepared the coffee decoction as well. This is 1 teaspoon of coffee and 3 teaspoons of sugar mixed with some hot water. This we're gonna pour over the cake just to make it more soft. Just like this, you have to pour it on top of it so that it gets soaked and it gets more moisture for the same. So slowly you're gonna add it when the cake is still hot so that it gets absorbed into the same, and it gives the cake a very good flavor as well. Alright, we're done. So here is our chocolate sponge cake made in the stove. You can see it's really nice. Yes, she says it's a chocolate cake. You can see the consistency, it has come so well. This is how the cake looks after the frosting been done. I have cut it and layered it with a coffee frosting.